Please read the technical and operating documentation of the product, the assembly instructions included with the system, as well as the engine and control instructions, and follow the instructions contained therein before proceeding with the installation. Warning: in the case of installation of an awning equipped with an electric motor, appropriate electrical wiring must be carried out before installation. Tools necessary to carry out the installation: spirit level, screwdriver, impact drill, Allen key, screwdriver, flat spanner, meter, pencil. Verify whether the system is complete and in compliance with the order. Two. Measure the correct spacing of the mounting brackets. Spacing should be between 10 and 15 cm from the arm. Three. Use a pencil to mark the bracket's mounting points on the wall. 4. Drill holes for mounting pins. Their length and type should be chosen according to the type of substrate. 5. Install the mounting pins according to the anchoring technique used. Follow the manufacturer's instructions. Six. Screw the mounting screws. 7. Mark symmetrically the position of the subsequent holes. 8. Drill holes as recommended in Step 4. 9. Set the next pegs, keeping the symmetry in relation to the previous ones. 10. The next brackets should be symmetrically relative to the first. If so, tighten the mounting screws. 11. Put the awning on the wall brackets so that the construction beam is pressed up. Support from another person is recommended during this activity. 12. Secure the awning beam with screws. 13. Fully unroll the awning. 14. Using a spirit level, check the front bar angle. 15. The angle of inclination of the arms can be adjusted using regulation screws. Those are located next to the beam to arm support.